In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Beats Solo 4 headphones. In the box, they came with this cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C one over here. Unfortunately, they didn't include a charger in the box, and most companies don't do this anymore, unfortunately, even if their headsets are quite expensive. So to charge them, you will absolutely need a charger that is USB Type-C. If you don't have one, check my links in the description to get one from Amazon. But overall, any brand should do the job. Obviously, you're on the safer side if you choose one made by Apple. This one is not made by Apple and it works. You don't necessarily have to get an original one, but I read on Reddit that on other version of the Beats Solos, like the 2 or the 3, some people had issue with not original charger. So this is just something to keep in mind. So once you get it, it's very easy. You just have to plug one end of this cable here, plug this charger into your outlet, and then plug this cable down below. You see, one of them has a headphone jack and the other ear cup has a USB port, and that's all. Over here, you're gonna notice you have a small white line, a white light that may be red as well. If it's red, it simply means that your headphones are charging and they are below 95%. Once they charge at 95% or above, well, this light will turn white, simply telling you that you can unplug them and, you're good to go. By the way, obviously, you can also unplug them at any time. You're not obligated to wait once they're fully charged to start using them. Once they are charged, these Beats Solo 4 has a battery that can last up to 50 hours of playback. If you're in a rush and you don't have much time to charge them, if you connect them only 10 minutes, you can get up to 5 hours of battery life, which is really great. If you do not have a charger, by the way, I didn't mention it, but you can also plug the other end into your computer and charge them this way. Sometimes it works, sometimes the computer does not provide enough juice to your Beats Solo 4 to charge them. So this is just, again, something to keep in mind. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.